Summer's not over yet. The leaves haven't really started changing, but an upcoming winter is always on the minds of Montanans. The last several winters have had their moments, but not many would say they were harsh or extreme. Last winter was a weak El Nino winter that saw drought increase across the western part of the state. The three previous winters were La Nina winters, which are supposed to be cold and snowier than normal. Most of those years ended up being close to average winters in Montana. The Old Farmer's Almanac shows Montana mild and dry for most of the state, western Montana being wet. That's an outlier forecast, as the rest show something different. The new Farmer's Almanac says very cold and snowy for Montana, most of the Rockies, the Plains, and across to the northeast. This random forecast shows Montana in a warm, dry start, but a cold and snowy end to the season. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Association official forecast is for close to average temperatures with above average precipitation. Side note, NOAA was way off with last winter and the summer seasonal forecast. All signs point to a La Nina developing. The blue lines are the likelihood of La Nina. A traditional La Nina does bring in a more active and colder northern branch of the jet stream into the Pacific Northwest, northern Rockies plains, and the Northeast. However, there never seems to be a typical La Nina. They're always different. But the bigger change is in the Pacific Decadal Oscillation and has turned into a negative phase and may have contributed to the coolish wet summer we just had. This meteorologist is leaning towards a harsher, colder winter that we have not seen since maybe 2017 and 2018. There are too many indicators of a strong winter to ignore. And now you're a little more weather-wise.